In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HubSpot forms. We'll start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top navigation and go to Marketing, then select Forms. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your existing forms and where you'll create new ones. So it's the main area you'll be working in for this process. From the Forms page, click Create Form. HubSpot will then ask you what kind of form you want to build. At this stage, choose the form type you prefer. If you want full control over the layout and fields, select Start from Blank. If you'd rather move faster, you can choose a pre-built template and customize it from there. Both options work well, so the right choice depends on how tailored you want the final form to be. Once the editor opens, click the pencil icon at the very top to rename your form. Giving it a clear, organized name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different campaigns, pages, or audiences. Next, look over to the left panel, where you'll find the available properties and fields. To build your form, simply click and drag the fields you want into the form preview on the right. This is where the form starts to take shape, and you can arrange it based on the information you need to collect. After adding your fields, click on any field inside the form preview to customize it. Here you can change the label, add placeholder text, make the field required, or set up dependent logic. That logic can be especially useful if you want certain questions to appear only when a user gives a specific answer, helping keep the form cleaner and more relevant. From there, configure your form options. This is where you'll manage the form's behavior and submission settings, so take a moment to review them carefully before moving on. Next, open the Style and Preview tab. This lets you check that the form's fonts, colors, and button shapes match your brand guidelines. It's a good opportunity to make sure the form not only functions properly, but also looks polished and consistent with the rest of your website or campaign assets. When you're happy with everything, click Update or Publish in the top right corner. That saves your changes and makes the form ready to use. Finally, choose how you want to share it. You can copy a standalone share link to send directly to clients, grab the embed code to place the form on an external website like WordPress or Webflow, or add it directly to a HubSpot hosted landing page. And that's how to create a HubSpot form from start to finish.